Wow, 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 wow. 2.25 billion from GameStop? Wow, that is impressive. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. As always, we are here to get this crypto money. We are here to make these gains and also get daily crypto updates. Guys, I'm so excited for 2022. We just keep on getting great news about crypto left and right. We have countries, more and more countries adopting crypto. We have crypto becoming a part of everyday life. And guys, today it was announced that GameStop is going to implement NFTs. So this article says GameStop says has learned from past mistakes, touts crypto blockchain NFT for A's as it focuses on future of gaming. Now, just by reading this title, okay, they said that they learned from past mistakes. See, the thing is, a lot of companies they make that big mistake of not adapting with the times. They don't want to adapt with technology. They stay in the stone ages. So they get left behind. Remember Blockbuster? Look what happened to them. They did not adapt with technology. So GameStop, seeing that this has happened to companies in the past, they decided to play it smart and adapt and implement both cryptocurrency and NFTs. So let's continue. It says, GameStop Corporation has learned from the mistakes of the past decade when it failed to adapt to the future of gaming. CEO Matt said on the company's fourth quarter earnings call on Thursday, what happened? Furlong stressed that video game retailer had become a clinical business and so capital starved that it had to rebuild from within. We've also had to change the way we assess revenue opportunities by starting to embrace rather than run from the new frontiers of gaming. You companies out there, pay attention to what GameStop is doing. A lot of you companies, a lot of you people that hate on crypto, NFTs, the metaverse, you're going to be left behind. Remember, they said the same thing about the iPhone when it first came out. They said the same thing about the internet when it first came out. They said the same thing about Amazon when it first came out. They said the same thing about a lot of things that are part of everyday life. People just don't like change. But you don't have to go full into crypto, into NFTs, into the metaverse, but at least be open-minded about it because if you don't, you're going to be left behind. All right, so let's continue. Why it matters. Furlong said the GameStop of today is a different company than it was at the beginning of the fiscal year. GameStop, a retail investor darling, generated revenue of 2.25 billion in Q4, which beat the estimate of 2.2 billion. Loss per share came in at $1.86 in the period. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. 2.25 billion from GameStop? Wow, that is impressive. I would never expect them to be generating that type of revenue. But let's continue. In January, investors celebrated the first anniversary of a wild short squeeze in GameStop shares that took place after Chewy co-founder Ryan Cohen joined its board. The company embarked on a turnaround after Cohen's arrival. Furlong said that this was the first quarter in which GameStop growth topped pre-pandemic levels. On the company's first year of transition, Furlong said it was about starting to turn GameStop into a customer-obsessed technology company, one that has wider offerings, more competitive pricing, faster shipping, stronger customer service, and an easier shopping experience. GameStop has invested in a dedicated blockchain team and is driving the development of non-fungible tokens NFT Marketplace, which the company expects to launch by the second quarter, Furlong said. We see significant long-term potential in the more than $40 billion market for NFTs. In keeping with our focus on the customer, we are going to continue taking steps to create new offerings and make targeted bets in blockchain gaming and cryptocurrency said for long. The retailer also accepts cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Guys, guys, you people out there that hate crypto, that hate NFTs, that hate the metaverse, pay attention, especially you senior executives, you people had high powered positions that are running these major companies. Pay attention, do not get left behind. GameStop, they see that if they don't adapt with the times, they are going to be left behind. So, guys, this is amazing news for the crypto space as a whole. Kudos to GameStop. This is amazing. I did not expect them to be generating that much revenue in the Q4 of 2021. That is amazing. So, shout out to GameStop. The future looks bright and they will help bring more people into the crypto space, the NFTs, and the metaverse. Now, when we look at how GameStop is doing, as you can see, we're looking at the weekly charts. GameStop, if you don't recall, back in the beginning of 2021, it had a massive short squeeze pump. It went up. People made a lot of money because it looked like a dead stock prior to that. It just pumped up. Who pumped up GameStop? Not only was it the hedge funds, but also Wall Street Bets. Wall Street Bets is a lot of young folks. So GameStop knows that if they want to be competitive, if they want to bring the company back, they have to adapt to what the young folks love. And so, what is popular right now? NFTs, crypto, the metaverse. So they are adapting with the times to try to revive the company. That is very smart of them. So, after the short squeeze, the hedge funds, they always win in the end. Retailers, I'm sorry to tell you, the guys from Wall Street Bets, you're not going to be able to compete with the hedge funds. They have a limited amount of money, billions and billions and billions of dollars. So, the retailers tried to pump up price even further, but the hedge funds made sure to win the war. Yes, the retailers won the battle initially, but the hedge funds won the war. And also, there was a lot of uncertainty towards the end of 2021. And not just the crypto space, but also the stock market started dipping in October. And GameStop got impacted too, just like a lot of stocks. I'm sure your 401k right now is looking like a 201k. But hey, man, listen, things will come back. The stocks, cryptos will pump back up. So right now, GameStop is currently at $87.70. As you can see, it's found a level of support right here. And right now, everybody's just waiting. There's a war with Ukraine and Russia going on. You have the interest rate hikes that came in. There's still a lot of uncertainty. Yes, the stock market pumped up for the past couple of days, but there's still a lot of uncertainty. It could be just a little dead cat bounce. There's a lot of things going on, and we saw China having a lockdown. So there's so much going on, and that is impacting not just crypto, but the stock market as a whole. But we know that eventually, as long as we're patient, have diamond hands, things will pick back up. So there's amazing news from GameStop. Shout out to them. And with that being said, guys, I am out.